Uh, mhm, mhm. Yeah. Yeah, and the spy is still going too. So I mean, like I said, we may get to 25, but I think 24 is more likely. Honestly, 24 or close to 25. Good morning, Raven. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Oh, I was about to say, I was like, I know I'm in a position right now. I know I'm in a position, but I was on the NQ. We'll go. Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely going to do spy next week. Definitely spy. Just waiting for more upside to short. Honestly, Revan, in my opinion, I think we might just get possibly to 60, 70, 80-ish. I mean, probably at the top of this range, but honestly, I'm thinking 60 is possibly where the highest we go, honestly. Because I think they're gonna try to protect these highs up here. So that's my opinion for right now. I mean, unless we get a bounce. I mean, we had this big move up. I'm pretty sure they're gonna probably retest 455, 435 because of that breakout. What are you talking about? All right, let's look at the it says share by short. Shit. Oh man. All right, man. Everybody's short. They're saying that ES is diverging from NQ. Let's look at what ES doing. What do you mean it's diverging? And yeah. Yeah. That is a lot for ES. Yeah, I'm thinking that if so, I mean, don't quote me. I mean, I think ES can get to probably back down to 282. I mean, I don't know if we can get there today. How slow it moves, but I think that's possibly where it can get to. I think we just hit major supply, people. I'll be surprised if this, I mean, without a significant pullback to at least, like I said, 60, that 460 level. I'll be surprised if this continues to go up. But um, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because right now I'm in short mode right now. My bias is so short. It's like, well, I don't want to miss nothing. I don't want to miss anything. But my bias is to go short right now. Because with this move up like this, I'm pretty sure everybody's thinking, yeah, we back being bulls again, baby. It's time to go long. Are you in any positions right now? Actually, give me a second. Let me switch you over to the desktop. Give me a second. Mm, mm, mm. All right. Okay. I just got switched over. All right, man. I mean, it seems like the Bears are coming in. Actually, can you hear me? You can still hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so it seems like the Bears are trying, but man, these Bulls are coming with a vengeance right now. So we'll see. We will see. Let me see. Well, I mean, if the spy puts ain't coming in, if the spy puts ain't up, there we go, baby. The spy puts coming in. Yo, get out at 524. Get out at 524. Get out at 524. They coming in, baby. The spy puts are starting to be swept at 524. So just be mindful. Damn. Okay.
Damn, man, I should have had that order ready. Too busy looking at options move so quick, boy. I tell
What's up,
you.
Mick? What's up? What's up?
Yo, small account challenge, baby. I'm staring at 4 figures now on this small account challenge.
Congratulations on that, man. This man grew what 4 figures? So you had $1,000. So you grew $800 in your account, starting with 2.
Yep. Yes, sir, ski. Well,
Yeah.
let me not. This one holding me back. Man, they shorted the heck out of that. Okay, that's the hourly.
Hmm.
Go to 34, 410. Let's go to 15 minutes. Check this out.
All right. So the plan for this. So I'm willing to scale in. Ah, shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. Ah, damn. Ah. Yo, if this don't work, if this does not work, you know, if we touch 600, we about to squeeze up. Damn. If this doesn't short here, or at least if we don't get a pullback to at least like 415 or something like that, or somewhere in this area, if this squeezes past 600, this is going up. This is going up if it squeezes past 600. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see with this one.
All right, let's see.
All right, do we got any more news today? I know we got a bunch of Fed speakers, if I recall. Yeah. We already came with initial jobless claims. We have Hawker speaking at 9. And I think I need to get out my short, actually. Let's see if I can get out of this and break even. Because we got nothing but Fed speakers, and we all know that all they do is dump. All they do is pump.
Actually, let me be on the safe side today.
Oh, well. That wouldn't be a good scaling right there. That would not be a good scaling. Why is this? Why is this right here? That would not be a good scaling. Okay, we touched 60. Touch 67. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm confident. I'm confident now. Okay. All right. I'm good in this short, baby. Your boy's good in this short, baby. So honestly, you know what I'm actually gonna do with this position? I'm actually gonna probably just hold this all day. I just want to see what happens. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold. I think that was our hoorah. I believe so. Because if this short does not work, if price does not come back down from here, I don't think it does it all in one day though. Four. Hmm. If this short doesn't work from here, or if this goes up higher, shorts are going to get squeezed. If this goes past up 600, we're going higher. And I don't think that's what the market wants right now. I don't think it makes sense because if we go to if we pushing past 600, that means we're going back up to 700. And then if we pushing past 700, we're going to 750. So it's like, if the market wants to protect this high at 700, price can't go above 600. If the objective is to protect this high, so I'm just going to take the bet that the money is to the downside right now. That's going to be my assumption. The money is to the downside. The money's to the downside. We'll see. But then we got Fed speakers talking all goddamn day today, and we all know that they pump it. We all know that they pump it, so. Okay, let's see, CL. Let's see what you're doing.
Yeah, I don't like this right now. Don't like it right now. So it looks like they're gonna hold 530. It looks like it right now. So let's see.
Let's see what CL is doing.
If CL's dumping, NQ pumping.
Okay, so I'm in my position. I'm in CL right now. I'm in a position right now, baby. Yeah, I'm in a CL long. I'm in at 95. So I'm in a position right now in CL. But I'm gonna try to forget about that because I'm gonna probably have to let that one play out. Okay.
Dang it.
I hate that honestly, now this is starting to get frustrating now too.
What's that?
I don't know if Top Step X is doing something, but my drawing tools are not being saved. I gotta do all this crazy stuff in order for it to reappear. So I let the bulls exhaust themselves. I got a small micro position on right now. I got 4 contracts on. Um, even though I have my stop at 627, I'm not going to allow price to get that high on me. I just kind of want to see what NQ does, let her play out, and then I'm going to readjust my stop accordingly. Yeah, I just want to see what she does. Because yeah, if she goes above these highs, then I mean, honestly, if she goes above really this high, honestly, at almost at 600, then yeah, this position's done.
It's cooked.
Hmm. Nah, I shouldn't be greedy. I shouldn't be greedy. Let's see. Because this can possibly because the Bulls are trying here. Push back up. Yeah, I'm willing to scale in. Like if price gets to like 8-ish, I'm willing to scale in some more and probably take this whole thing off around like 605 at these highs. Because I mean, if price touch these highs, then we're going down. Or I'm sorry, if price touch these highs, then we're going up. Mm. Yeah, 423. Yeah, I can see a bounce at 423. I can see a bounce to 423 and possibly make a move up. So like if we do get this move down, I can possibly see a small bounce at 495. It'll probably bounce its way back up to around like 514 or something, 515, 520-ish. And then we can see another move down where another area of support would be around like 440. I'm not saying that NQ can't do it, but that move down to 280, like if she makes it all the way down to 280, yeah. So 495. I'll get out of one at 495. Because I think no, I'm not gonna get out at 495. Because there's definitely support here at there's definitely support. No, I think there's goals, man. I think if I'm patient, if I stay patient, I think this goes down for the rest of the day. I mean, obviously we might get our bounces here and there, but I think this possibly goes down until the rest of the day.
Rest of the day. Whoa.
I mean, if price ain't gonna go further, if price ain't gonna go up, then that means the money's to the downside. I mean, I think we can all agree that we've kind of done all the business that we can do in this area. I mean, if the only other business now for NQ is if we go higher. I don't think they're trying to violate these highs at 600. I think they're trying to keep these highs at 600. That's my opinion for right now. So,
All right, I'm flat. Just quick little dangerous shorts, I feel like. I don't know.
hey, I'm short, baby. You already know me. I'm stay committed. I'm short this shit. If everybody's long, that means shit. When everybody's greedy, Oh, well, hold on. So what? How's it go? Like if everybody's fearful, become greedy. If everybody's greedy, what's the other
Yeah.
side of that?
Be fearful.
Oh, be
Fearful
fearful.
and be greedy when everybody's fearful.
Yeah, right now everybody is greedy as hell, dude. Look at this big giant ass moving no pullback. Powell didn't even say nothing. Powell said nothing.
he was pretty he was pretty bullish to, in my opinion. Just like that interview. I saw some of the key points. You know, financial juice pull out the key points that he said,
Yeah,
and I was reading those. I was like, that's kind of bullish,
yeah.
but you know, he be saying stuff without saying, but he says
Hmm.
the same. You know how he do.
Yeah. That's why we love Powell, man. He's predictable. You can put your money in the market and feel confident that Powell's gonna come out and do and say the same shit.
Oh, Papa Pow.
Who's that?
We love you, Papa Pow.
Is that Pump It Powell's brother or something? Cousin? Oh, that must be his father. Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense. That must be his father. I know a Pump It
So,
Powell. I don't know no Papa Powell. Must be his father.
you know Papa Pow. Does it hold here? Let's see. We can hold. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, like I said, I don't think this is going higher, man. I don't think it goes higher. I don't think it goes higher.
I mean, it could be trying to target VWAP or something.
Where's
See
VWAP at?
that?
Yeah, I mean that's right around that area that I was talking about, 495. Yeah, like I said, I think we get a bounce at VWAP, and the most we probably get is like 520. The most we probably get is like 515, 520, possibly.
You think they're trying to protect those eyes, huh?
That's my opinion for right now.
Yeah, we talked about it in the chat. Like I was saying, like they have to break like 620, 630, really 650 if you want to be real. But not saying we do that today, of course. But
That's why I
I'm
was
just
like, hey,
saying, like,
get out of your spy calls because they're already sweeping puts, dude. They're sweeping puts. Bro, get out. Yo, they're sweeping puts. Get out. They're sweeping
no,
puts.
not. I will not. I'm not getting out. I'm not
Hey, yo,
getting out this.
Alfred.
I'm not getting out.
He needs an intervention. He needs an intervention.
I'm not getting out right now. Crazy.
He needs the intervention.
Check it.
But yeah, I think this goes down. Hey, I mean, they're sweeping spot puts, bro. I would highly recommend if you don't if you're not protecting this position with a stop, uh, you might be holding the bag on this one. So I've already said, bro. I mean, what's the meme? From now on, from this point forward, you put your faith in me. I say get out. The structure is telling me if I was in those calls, I would have got out. I would have got out. I mean, that shit hit the left shoulder. It hit that left shoulder area. It hit that pocket. Like I mean, if you're looking at my stream right now, you can see the resistance right here. And I don't think SPY is getting past this. I don't think so. I don't think it's getting past that. They're sweeping puts. So I mean, you do got some people selling. Well, you got people selling calls. You do still have people selling puts, but mostly I'm seeing puts being bought. Yeah, puts are being bought, bro. And they're buying 525 strikes. So, I mean, it's your position. You do what you want, but hey, we told you. Okay. Now you put your faith in me.
Mhm. Mhm.
Hey, baby, this is why you gotta hold, man. I mean, shit, you gotta stay convicted in your position. Like, I mean, I think I wouldn't be surprised if the macros that are being run in the market with these algorithms, I wouldn't be surprised if they're optimized to hold. Like, I'm pretty sure there's like an average threshold that someone can take emotional pain, especially when it comes to their money. And the one thing that we continuously see time and time again is as soon as I close the position, that's when it runs. I'm pretty sure that's not a mistake. I'm pretty sure that's by design. Yeah, it seems like they're trying to hold price off right now at the at this moving average. You got a strong close underneath the 21 moving average, so it's highly likely that they're going to come back in and possibly sell it off of it, sell price down.
From now on, you put your faith in me.
Hey man, I mean, shoot, we give y'all plays. I understand that it's somebody else's plays, but I mean, they usually all the time work play by play, play by play, all the time they work. So let's just say that the Bears do take this down to 280 today, which it kind of makes sense because we got to think about what's happening tomorrow. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow. We all know that non-farm payroll has something to do with the job, so has something to do. It is. So if they push price down today, it gives opportunities for these institutions to reload the boat to push price higher if that's the goal. But I really think they're trying to protect these highs at 600. Like price has yet to touch 600. I think they're trying to protect these highs at 600. So what could happen? What could happen is that we can possibly see a bounce or actually, it's more than likely we're going to see a bounce at around like 463. Actually, 463, 440, because that's that breakout. We got a breakout there. Mhm. But yeah, they can possibly they can possibly take it to 400 as well. They can possibly take this to 400 or that 414 level 400. And that's possibly where we can see a bounce. But if we got non-farm payroll tomorrow, if the strategy is to dump the market to pump it back up, that 280 level will be a great level for them to get back in to take this back long. Because we didn't touch that 280 level yesterday. We got close to 280, but we didn't touch it. So all that consolidation, actually, let me actually put it on this chart. Let me actually switch to my NinjaTrader 8 so those that on the stream can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, make sure that I can see this. Okay, so this is my NinjaTrader chart. So this is what I'm looking at. I mean, they got these highs at 611 right here. And there's nothing but stops in this area. These are the bear stops. And I think that they're trying to protect at the bear stops in this area right here. We didn't finish business at 280 yesterday. I think it stopped short at 300, but this area of support right here is unfinished business in my opinion. And this is where I'm thinking that the bulls will come in. The bulls will most likely come in this area. Possibly taking it down here. They actually might take out this low. I'm actually looking at a level here at around like 190. So they may take out this low actually. And I am looking at a level at like 190 for if the bulls don't protect this area right here, taking out this low and then bouncing here at this level to take it back up higher. But if you look, this actually might be a smaller time frame chart. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because we took out the lows and then we got this value area high around 170. So, or the low of a value of a previous value area at 170, 180. So.
Actually, just in case to try to take it down.
I mean, where did it bounce at? Man, okay, where did it bounce? Let's see. So what oh crap. So where did it bounce? It bounced at 105 and got back up to 530. Yeah, I think they sell this here. I think, yeah, if you're long in this, I think this is it. I think the bull foray is done. Bull foray is done at this point. I think the bears are slowly coming out to play. Obviously, you can see the bulls still trying. They're still trying to buy this up. But at this point, if you're in this short, I mean, it's safe to put your stop probably like at 580, 590-ish to move your stop. Even though this is kind of excessive, because honestly, it should, if the price does make its way back up to this high, which I doubt it will at this point, it should only go up probably like, what, 15 points above this high, which it usually doesn't. It usually sweeps it 5 points and then dumps. But at this point, nah. Even if the bulls do come back and take it back up and retest this high, it should only go up a few points and sweep the highs and then go back down if it's a real short. Yeah. Yeah, that would be kind of excessive, honestly. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this short possibly all day. Honestly, I think I'm gonna hold it all day and see what happens. I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna take my 100-point target. I'm just gonna let the rest run for the rest of the day. I just want to see what happens. Yeah, that would suck, wouldn't it? That would suck, and I think that's possibly what happened. But I think we do got that Fed master speaker. Let's see. Uh, yeah, so yeah, it looks like the schedule is free and clear for the rest of the day. I mean, we have Fed speakers speaking. We all know that they pump the market, but they don't start speaking until 11 o'clock. We do have this hawker speaking right now, but obviously what this person is saying is not being broadcasted on YouTube at the moment, or at least there's no link. So yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good right here. I think this is good. So we might see that bounce at 595. So just be prepared for that. We might see a bounce at 595. We may. VWAP is in that area too. So we may see a bounce. This price is sitting at the 21 EMA possible bounce. Yeah, we can possibly see something. It's a shame that honestly that's what it takes. Honestly, non-farm. Actually, hold on.
Yeah, these are 150K Apex evals. And I am running out of DD at 2,500. So I'll yeah, chill out on these. Gotta see what price is trying to do here. Either they're gonna crash VWAP potentially, maybe to the middle here at 73. Either VWAP bounce or 73 bounce potentially, or they want to try to attack these highs again. But right now, this is, yeah.
Mm.
Let's see if buys there. Came back and bought here. And some more buys here. And now 530 is struggling to get past. So
Okay. All right. All right. All right. Up, down. All right. So I actually have to set an alert. I have to set an alert. The haters gonna hate, baby. The haters are gonna hate. The haters gonna hate. So let me set an alert. All right. So I gotta do CL. They gonna hate it when you right.
okay, so ES made it to
They gonna hate it when you
307.
right. So are we in the make contracts? Are we in the make contracts? I think that's the right contract. Let me make sure.
Video.
The haters gonna hate, baby. The haters gonna hate. So is this the make contracts? Damn it, I gotta.
Stuck in the middle with you.
Oh, of course. We can possibly get up to 8602. Let me set an alarm for both.
CL, the side chick.
Yeah, yeah. So apparently when I set a limit, it just got well, it didn't got hit, it just got hit, but it got hit at 85 or 90. I had a limit sitting at 90 and it just got hit. At 7 o'clock, it got hit. And when I went to go check on it, I'm glad I checked on it, but apparently my stop and target didn't populate on the chart, so I have to set an alert.
Oh,
You have to set an alert. Make sure it doesn't go below that low. Do like 85. Make sure it doesn't go below that low.
I'm looking at. Man, I don't know.
Haters gonna hate.
I was so close right there. They hold that area though. They've been using this as the buy zone right now. As of right now. Try to push it. Mine.
Let me see. Price crossing. Okay. I'm setting an alert for 86. Let's see if this gets up to 86. Or let's do 85. Do 85.90. 85.90. Okay, 85.90. So let's see if CL is going to do all that bullishness that she did for this entire week. So let's see if we get this bounce when price gets to 495. Let's see. Let's see if we get a bounce. Okay. Okay.
Okay. NVIDIA. Save us, NVIDIA.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's do that.
$92 orders sitting at 600. And 74 at 450. Interesting. 450. $74.
Hey, so I just looked at your comic section. Yo, FX, why you hating so much, FX? FX, why you hating so much? FX, why you hating so much, FX? What's going on? Yo, FX, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, bro. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. The last conversation me and FX have, he was 0-3. So now he's not attacking my ability to trade. He's saying that I'm emotional when I trade. What's up with that, FX? What's up? Yo, FX is straight hating. Yeah, I agree with them. Yo, like, yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy.
He said it's no hate.
Nah, bro. Nah. We don't want to hear that, bro. We don't want to hear that. You 0-3, bro. We don't want to hear that. You hating. You hating. This. You hating, bro. But it's all love, though. I mean, like I said, the last thing he said is that he didn't want to have a dick swinging contest. But I was like, bro, it's not a dick swinging contest if I'm right and you're wrong. So it's not. It's like we have different stuff opinions, but man, look, we do this live. I mean, you can say I'm emotional, but at the end of the day, my targets get hit, baby. At the end of the day, and that's what matters. Yeah, I know,
There's
right?
the drop. There's the drop. Okay, VWAP activated. What y'all gonna do, VWAP? You gonna be king? You
I
gonna
mean,
hold?
we might get this bounce at 495, man. We might get it. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Oh,
never
never
mind.
mind. Never mind. Yo, never mind.
That was that was quick.
Yeah, that was quick, yo.
He said, nah, bump that. There's orders at 50, bro. Yeah, hella orders. That might be. Hold on. Am I looking at that right? No, that was not 50. No. Hold on. No, yeah. 50 and 75. Okay. 50 and 75. Yeah. Oh, but then the previous highs right there. They might try to.
I mean, yeah, like I said, like we might get this bounce. We may. I'm for sure looking for the Bulls to come in at 63 though. 463 for sure. 463 for sure. But we might, if we get a bounce here, I think the most we get is 14, 15, possibly 20. But I think we get here if we get this bounce right here.
Maybe they're gonna bounce it at the basically previous pre-market high at 484, 5.
I think so. I mean, it possibly, but I mean, if you look at the charts, I think the resistance was always at 60, but you can tell that's a stop run because it got sold right back down. So you can kind of tell that was a stop run. So yeah, that was the high, but I don't think there's nobody there. I don't think nobody's there though. We'll see. Yeah, because that was definitely a stop run because the market sold off at 462 previously. So if everybody had their positions at 462, that was obviously a stop run, and we can tell it was a stop run because it got sent right back into that range. And then we got the breakout again at 62 or at 63ish, 62, 63. If you look at the chart, you can see that's where it broke out again. So we'll see.
Dang, if they wipe out that whole move, that would be crazy. They could take it to midnight's price. Midnight, yeah, 453. That would be pretty nuts.
I still think we go to 280. If not today, then definitely tomorrow. I think we're going to 280.
280?
I think we're going to 280. You said what?
280 today would be nuts. From 5.
More shit.
What is it?
Yeah, 560. I think we get into 280 before we see a real bounce. Before we see a real bounce. You got out them damn spy puts or calls? I mean, they still sweeping these calls. Well, it's kind of mixed right now. It is kind of mixed because they are throwing some. I mean, they're selling calls as well, but mostly what stands out to me is that they're selling calls, or this is them buying it. My bad. They're buying puts. They're buying puts at a level where there's resistance at. So yeah, they're sweeping puts, man. They've been sweeping puts since 9 o'clock. I mean, if we yeah, because we swept this high. Dude, I would really consider. You say that you got them until next Tuesday. I mean, we'll see. I mean, you're going to lose 2 days of premium over the weekend if you hold it over the weekend. So you're going to lose 2 days of premium. So just keep that in mind if you don't close it today.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. This is where the bears want to protect their positions at right here. They can't let it get above this high at 530. So they're going to have to sell it right here.
Yeah, JC. Let's see if that happens, because that would be crazy. So 53. 54. Yeah, we can front run it at 54. Ah, shoot, you know what?
What's up?
Bobby.
Just be mindful in this area. Just be mindful. Just be mindful because they're gonna try to sell it here. So just be mindful of that.
Hey, midnight's price is down here at 53.50.
53.50. That is a good area for. That is a good area, honestly. And that is a good area for them to come in.
That's taking out the whole news move. Yeah, we see them do that though. They'll pump up news and then take out the whole news move throughout the day.
Actually, I didn't even look at that. The jobless claims.
Yeah, 7:30, and you start popping off at 53.50. That's crazy. Let's see if it works out.
Of course, NQ ain't gonna give us this. Of course, she's not. Yeah, and it seems like they got their orders around that 450 level too. Okay, so let's look at that. NQ.
Clear the news move and then take it
All
all the way
right,
back out.
so 442 is where this move started at. So that little signal you got is at 442. Previous day high. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Previous day high is at 451. Yeah, so that actually might be
Yeah,
the yeah, that might be it right there, dude. Yeah, that's where they're gonna probably come to. 52. And then we can possibly see a bounce. A bounce, and then the bounce would possibly be to like 500. So it'll be like a 50-point play, honestly. Yeah, I think that's how this shit's gonna play out. I think that's how they're gonna play it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's how they're gonna play it. Damn it. So yeah, I'm gonna take my first target somewhere around this area right here. Around this 52 level. Hopefully she just flushes through and I don't have to decide. I don't have to think too hard about it. Hopefully she'll just flush through.
just flush the toilet.
Yeah. Kind of like at this level right here, this 95 level. And they sold it right at 14. They sold it right at 14.
At this point, I'm just trying to get some DD back. Stay back, it's nice.
Have you been taking any trades?
I'm in the short now.
Where you at?
My average entry is 500.
Yeah, let's see if they now try to sell it off of VWAP. I doubt it though, but we'll see. I mean, you got all the EMA sloping down. You got price trying to be sold off of VWAP. Yeah, yeah. When it gets close to this, area, it's definitely going to be some trouble. But like I said, I'm gonna hold this position all day. I don't think. I mean, we may get a bounce back up, but I think for the most part, we're going down for the rest of the day.
Damn. Cause ain't you around?
Yeah, and that 423 level, yeah, that's actually a pretty good level too. 423, that's a good level too. Because that's where that previous range is at. Yeah, well, I guess they already used this already. And they already used it for that bounce, 410, for that bounce higher. Gotta make sure I can see remember stuff like that for next time. Excuse me. But yeah, so yeah, slow, boring day so far. I guess whatever the Fed speaker is saying is possibly not giving investors confidence to stay long in their positions. But, or I guess a better way to rephrase that is to invest more and to put more risk on.
The best move was that pre-market move that I freaking missed out on. That pump.
I mean,
That
shit.
pump.
We don't trade. I mean, I don't trade pre-market. I don't trade pre-market. And when I got to my
Pre-market's
desk,
been lit this year.
like, dude, it's like I got so much crap to do. Like, so during pre-market, I'm doing NA meetings, and during pre-market, I'm getting my daughter situated. I'm finishing
Oh no,
up
no, no.
work and stuff. Oh no, I'm just saying. So it's like trading pre-market. It just takes up so much mental energy if I do everything at the same time. So it's like I'll just wait until at least 4 o'clock in the morning to see how the market structure itself. But when I was getting everything done, and something told me, it's like, yo, get to the charts, get in that long. And I was hesitant. I was like, dude, I don't like trading pre-market. I don't want to get into pre-market. And yeah, as soon as I freaking was about to I was thinking about it. I looked at it. I was going to take it. It pumped. I couldn't even FOMO into it or nothing. Couldn't even take a FOMO trade. It was too high up. I was looking to see if there was like any news or something, but the only thing that I saw was something about Ukraine's, which if I can find that from yesterday, but it was something about Ukraine. It was on Financial Juice or something like that.
Oh.
Hmm. Let's see. We'll see, dude. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Man, you know what? Damn it. Damn. All right. So I sold, so I should buy. All right, I'll take. I think we get a bounce here. I think we can at least get up to 30.
30.
if not 20. 30 to 20. Mm. Yeah, it looks like they're buying it up in VWAP.
Oh shoot.
We'll see, bro.
Touch again.
Yeah, Raven. Yeah, I think price goes down from here. But I'm confident in at least we get down to this area. I'm confident we get at least down to here, to this 460, 450 level. I'm confident in this. My 280 target, the reason why I feel that it's going down in this short is because if they're not going to take price higher, if they're going to protect these highs at 600, if they're not going to go higher, then they might as well go lower. If they're not going to go, if they're not going to take it higher. And so, kind of like what I was saying yesterday, when price was all the way down here and all the business was up here, well, shit, now the business is shifted all the way down here. So, if they don't take it higher, then they're taking it lower. And this area right here is where all the business is at. This is where the business is at now. With this massive move up, I just find it hard. I will find it hard to believe that we push through an area of resistance without a real pullback first. That's not where I want to get. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh, seeing higher targets at 415. Uh-oh. Y'all gonna do, Bears. Y'all gonna do.
I should put on that VWAP, so. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't got much left. Much juice left in the tank.
the Bears will have to hold this off right here at this at these EMAs, but the way that they're pushing off on VWAP, yeah, I think we're gonna at least get a push to damn freaking 30, man. 20, 30. Just gotta prepare myself for that crap. Hopefully the Bears push it down here. But how weak they looking right now, gonna possibly push us up to 30.
Hmm.
Gonna play my township game. until NQ figures out that she remembers she's an NQ and not fucking ES. Look at ES doing. I'm pretty sure usually if NQ is not doing nothing. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, yep. ES hit my level of resistance exactly to the T at 306. 306 and got a 10-point move down. But ES is moving just as slow. Just as slow as just as slow. So I wonder why then CL's not pumping then.
What's CL doing? Yeah, I think
Stuck. All the instruments are stuck right now, man.
honestly 45.
All stuck. All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because I've seen scenarios where they, like I said, they bounce it off previous pretty much high. I've seen that before. And then I've also seen, like we discussed earlier, they take out the whole news move.
Yeah, we've seen that before. We've definitely seen that. I mean, all the bulls are trapped and they're not taking it higher. So that means price has to go lower. The business is to the downside. And I'm going to assume that they're going to try to prepare for a non-farm payroll tomorrow. So depending on what the market does today, you can kind of get an idea of the report we're going to get tomorrow. Yeah, they're buying this crap off of VWAP. They're buying it off of VWAP, so we'll see. Hopefully the Bears can push us back down, man. But that 495 level is for at least for right now. It's seeming like it's like they're trying to hold it here. They're trying to hold it here. Oh yeah, then that 490. Oh yeah, that 495 level's been support and resistance for the last couple of weeks. Excuse me. So
They need to make up their dang minds, bro. Drop it, take out the news move, and then pump that mess back up. That's what I want to see.
yeah, yeah, it's looking like it, isn't it? Yeah, this is probably about to go to 530, bro. It's probably about to go to 530. 530, 520.
They came in, planted their orders at 500. Probably the exit. And then launch this thing.
I mean, we'll see.
Exit at
You said what?
exit at 500 and then launch it.
Hmm.
Hold on.
Hey, shoot, if we can break this level, if we can break it, it looks like the Bears are finally waking the hell up. Yeah, that's about it. Looks like they're finally waking up. There we go. Flushes, boo. Flush it. Flush this shit, boo. Flush it. All right. Finally, we got that damn flush. Take this shit down. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess we're not out of the woods yet. Let me stop celebrating. We're not out of the woods yet. I can easily sweep this low, but we're not out of the woods yet. I mean, if you're in this short with me, I would consider taking some of your profits off if price gets into this area, especially that 55-ish, 52-ish area, somewhere in there. Kind of like Smith said, that midnight candle, whichever candle that is. Midnight. I don't know. I guess the midnight one is at. Anyway, I would consider getting out somewhere in this area right here because we can definitely see a bounce here. I mean, we're not out of the woods yet, and they can still bounce this damn thing. They gotta cleanly break this level here, clean, to where the bulls like completely give this shit up and become sellers. Well, they become sellers if they stops get hit, but
Let me look at the daily real quick. Check that out again. So we got hourly. Okay, we haven't really. Oh, no, it's the ES chart. What am I doing? Get off that. See that? I don't want to see you, ES.
all right.
This is the new buy zone right here. They are holding this above 85, 485. They are holding.
Mm-hmm.
Full spike lines. Trying to take that much higher.
Like I said, I don't think they get it above that high though. Not without a decent pullback. Not without a decent pullback.
Okay, hourly still. Daily chart.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they don't. They could easily catch another flush down there.
And hopefully we can get a flush, man. Damn, we don't got no.
Yeah.
That's not gonna be fun. We don't have anything until 11 o'clock, so we at least got this crap into at least another hour. At least another hour, man.
What's going on at 11?
You got your block of Fed speakers, and we know they only pump the market, so I would get out of my well, I would scale out of majority of my short when they start talking. Yeah, I'll just play my township game until NQ figures out she's the NQ. Well, let's look at what they're doing with the SPY. I mean, with the SPY flow. Yeah, they're still like, yeah, bro. I would consider getting out of your SPY calls, bro, and at least taking profits and rescaling back in because this is going down. SPY is going down, and I would take profits and then scale back in at 520, 520, 521 ish. That's where I would get back into this long. Ooh, yeah, because we got that bounce at 16, because we got that breakout pullback. Yeah, they're gonna possibly try to take it to yeah, they'll possibly take it to like 1920, possibly 20-ish area. Mm. Damn it. They're gonna take it up at 45, man. Damn, they're gonna take it up. Damn. All right, so this is what I'll do. I don't want to do it, but if they take it above this candle high, I'll scale out of one so I can re-enter into. Damn. Damn, that's so freaking hard to do because I'm.
Oops. Dang, does this go from here?
I think so, bro. I think so. I think so, man. I think so. I think so. Right now, you can kind of see it. It's in a wedge. Oh crap! It's trading in a wedge. So I mean,
Yeah,
I
none
was
of
thinking
this
about
stuff.
more like that. I mean, it's getting tight. Price has been in this area, so it can go either way. But we know that this has been, or 95 has been previous support and resistance in the past. They love this level right now for some reason. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this is going up. Damn it. Damn it. This is going up.
All right, baby. Come on, keep pushing. I probably I need to get my DD back.
You said what?
I need my DD back.
Hmm.
50.
Yeah, this is going up. You went long?
Yeah, I went long at 490 at VWAP. Well, on my other chart, it was VWAP. But then I got like, keep it tight, let it run. Like, what I'm afraid of right here is that this might be a head and shoulders on 1,000 tick. They're going to try to head and shoulders this. So I'm going to just set, but then I don't want to give up potential profit.
Oh, okay. I see it on a 1,000 tick chart. I see that. There is resistance at like 508, 509. Huh. But all the EMAs and VWAP and they're kissing and sloping to the upside. The only thing that's holding it down right now is that 200. So it's the 200 battling against the 21, the 50, and VWAP, and we all know VWAP is God. So I think the 200 going to lose this one. I think Wiki's going to lose this. Like I said, I'll scale out of one. And I guess in this instance, I kind of want to be wrong. I kind of want price to continue downward, so I don't have to choose. But I think I'm going to be put in a situation to choose to scale out of one and possibly get back in short at around like 30, possibly 40. Well, if it gets to 40, then I don't need to scale back in. I'll just scale back in one.
Yeah, NQ don't respect the 1 day pass. I'm not even trying to pass in 1 day. That's not even the goal right now. The goal right now, I'm just trying to recover my drawdown. Oh, that's funny. I'm not even trying. I'm not even thinking about that. When I get close, then yeah, I'll start thinking about it. But if I close out here, close this position out, then I could recover most of that drawdown back. But NQ's being NQ. Yeah, FX. Yeah, so let me see if I can find it. I believe it's up here. Exactly. Moxie Alfred, exactly. Oh, come on. RSI is topping out. You know what? I'm gonna just, yeah, whatever. F you. And you bet not go high. You better drop now, too. Freaking jerk.
What happened? Did it lost limit?
No. It just hit my trailing stop. Oh, yeah. So FX right here. Hit the view settings, top right. Stop type. Wait, let me see. Can you see that? I know it's kind of cut off. Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Top right corner next to that H that says toggle. It's view settings. It's the gear icon, view settings, and then stop type. And I have my trailing. So if I want to do like a buy stop order, like how I had it on there, I took it off. But like if I wanted to say I did a buy stop right here, I set it at 514, it'll trail price down. So it's kind of, I like it. It's kind of cool. Like, let's say price flushes and then bounces. My stop or my trailing order will flush with it with price. And then if it bounced and, shot up, whatever, however many points, 30, 40 points, it'll tap me in and then I'll be in at whatever level that it moved down to. Same thing with on the short side. Like if I set well, I'm not going to do it that close, but if I set it right here, it'll trail price to the upside. If price moves up, my stop will move up, or my order will move up. Yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it.
Hmm.
All right, let's see what they do, man.
Let's hope they take these damn lows out and use their stops to push this damn thing lower. Hopefully they do that. Hopefully they freaking do that.
It looks like it's ready to go, but I mean, they held this up so much.
Hopefully they just engineer the liquidity. Hopefully that's what this is, because I don't want to choose. I don't want to choose. I don't want to choose. I do not want to choose. I want my damn targets. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. I mean, the way it's looking, damn it. Damn it, Bears. Damn it. Yeah, I mean, the way it's looking, it's going to bounce here at 95. I mean, I'm already kind of prepared for that, but it looks like it's going to bounce here at 95.
They really did just do that.
Yeah.
So since I'm trading, so the value, what do you mean? Like do you mean like the,
You talking to me?
I'm talking to FX in the chat.
Oh, the hater.
Yeah, y'all need to relax. We all have differing opinions, and it's good. That's what it's good to. No, seriously, it's good to.
I mean, I get it. We can have difference of opinions, but you can't be a hater, bro. You can't be a hater like that, bro. And then show up every day just to hate, bro. You can't do that.
It's all love. It's all love.
I mean, yeah, of course, it's all love, but.
Damn, man. Look at
I know. I freaking knew it. I knew they was holding this damn thing.
Dang.
Okay.
So,
like I said, man, now I think they're gonna get to 30. I think they're gonna get to 30, man.
The value of the trail, let me see. Because right there, it depends on, wherever you place it. So wherever you place it on the chart, it'll just trail price wherever price is at. So if I put it,
yo, I know this thing did not just sweep these highs just to go down. Well,
that would be devious.
Yeah, that kind of was.
And it goes up, see, it'll just trail with price. And then, of course, you could change however many contracts you want.
Okay.
So if I was looking to short this, which I'm not right now, because this looks like it's about to.
I mean,
it looks like I don't know. But from what I'm seeing, I ain't checked my other charts to confirm or nothing, but from what I'm just looking at, it looks like I don't know. It's stuck in this range, to be honest.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Dude, I think it just swept those highs just to. I guess it's my fault for putting my. Let's see, man. We'll see. If this is just engineered liquidity and they're just going to use these lows to sweep lower, like I said, I'm going to take my real target here. I think 62 will be a really good target to take your profits. If you're in this short with me, 62 is 63 probably front run it. But 63 would be a really good first target. You said that midnight candle opened at what, 52?
53. I was going to front run it.
Yeah, I was going to front run it.
Yeah, if we would have broke down like we were looking like we were doing, if we were going to break down, I was going to front run it at like 54, 55. I had it at 54. I had one at 64, and I don't know. So yeah, back to this trail. Like if I wanted to buy, but say we flush and I wanted to buy, I'll put my order my buy stop up here, 516. And if price keeps going down, it'll trail with price.
Says box range. I was talking about coming into support. Diary of NQ Trader. Have you been speaking to me?
Okay.
This is box range. I was talking about coming into support. If you're talking about this, yeah, this is definitely an area of support. What I'm looking for is for a price to be brought back down here in this area of support. NQ's gonna make me work for it though, apparently. He says, yeah, you've been scalping. Yeah, like when the market gets like this, the only thing you can do is just really scalp, honestly.
This is sickening, actually.
It is.
This is nasty. Nasty. Pick a dang side.
Like I said, we don't got nothing until 11 o'clock, so I mean, I think we're gonna get this crap until then. I think that's probably why the market is being held where it is, because I guess they want to hear what this what's it called? Cool. What's the Fed speaker speaking? So the first one is Barkin. Goolsby is speaking after that. Then you have Nestor, and then you have Kashkari. And then you have Kugler. Oh, actually, no, never mind. That's later on tonight at 6 o'clock during the Asian session. But so all we have to worry about is Goolsby, Nestor, and Kashkari. That's what we have to worry about.
Goolsby.
I forget which one of those guys is hawkish. I forgot which one. It says I think we take out the 15. So Diary of NQ Trader says I think we take out 15-minute high before we manipulate lower out of this range. So the 15-minute high, where is that? Because I really only want to. Well, I guess I could just change to the 15-minute. All right, so 15-minute high, 15-minute high. Yo, I don't know how y'all guys trade these time charts. I don't know how y'all guys do this. This is weird as hell. So the 15-minute high. So I think we did that already. So this high, or the last 15-minute candle was at 508. We did, actually, is right there. We did just take out that last 15-minute high. He says 568. Oh, you're talking about all the way up here. Oh, 568.
Oh, damn. I just saw it on freaking on the daily.
What'd you see?
I just really just looked at it. Oh, I see it.
What'd you see? Well, dang, keep the suspense, Smith. What do you see?
Hey, relax. I don't think I got enough time. Yeah, I don't have enough time on these these calls, not puts.
Are you talking about SPY?
Yeah, SPY. Damn.
Hold on.
See it on the daily chart. I see what they potentially do.
What are you talking about?
Because I'm looking. I mean, there's gaps. Cause SPY gaps up and down.
Oh, they don't have SPY on this. Okay, I forgot they don't have SPY. It's like, what the hell? Why I can't see SPY? Okay. Yeah, I can't do this with y'all.
This could be a freaking head and shoulders.
Is that
all this resistance up here? Damn.
So we finally broke. Hold on, am I looking at the right chart? Hold on, am I looking at the right chart?
Bobby. We tapped previous pre-market high, 485. Are you gonna try to take out the move right now?
Oh no, this can't be the. Is this my chart? Okay, well, we'll see.
First of all, points. That was 16 points.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that's going on. Okay, so SPY, you said the daily.
Yeah,
I
daily on
mean,
SPY.
yeah, I mean, bro, I told you, man, it was sweeping puts. I kind of hope that you can still get out of them and profit.
Yeah. I can still get out of profit, but not as much.
You see it?
I freaking hate that. Dang it.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're going to try to bounce it at 520 like I say they would. I think they're going to probably bounce it at 520. I think we're going to possibly get that bounce probably tomorrow with non-farm. Unless this is the real move lower, because if price gets below that 516 candle, I mean the next level of support on SPY. Actually, let me just go to the 4-hour, honestly, because I don't even look at the daily chart for real. Yeah, if they break that low at 416, then I guess they're gonna try to go for that low at 503. But before we get to 503, we'll possibly see like 510, 514, 510. Yeah, possibly like 510, 515-ish. Nah. Because I mean, if they break that low at 16, they might as well just take out that entire low. And we'll probably get a bounce at like 10. Yeah. That's if we break that low at 16. And then the mission would probably be 10. All right, so
All right, midnight train down to 53, 54, 60.
60. So okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing that they got this area right here of resistance. Obviously, we just took out that low right there. And I think now they're going to be using this now for that move downward. And hopefully she don't start acting up when she gets around my target. Hopefully. But like I said, I'm gonna hold majority of this position the entire day. I don't think we get a real bounce. I think we bounce today. I don't think we get a significant bounce to take out this high though. I don't think so. Because how often do we get these little slow grind downs? Like we usually get this once the market doesn't want to go higher, but we're still in bullish momentum, so price just grinds down the entire day. I mean, we've had these types of days so often.
You see, open up some of these orders are. He said the market clapping cheeks today. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm a part of it. I'm a part. All right, now y'all better use this as resistance. Y'all better use this area as resistance. You don't want to. You done bounced off here, held it. Now you better use it as resistance. I don't want to see none of that. Stop it. Get some help. Stop it. Get some help.
Okay.
Honestly, shoot, I'm not take it because the way price acting.
Yeah. Yeah, this chop down is obviously the bull's trying to push this damn thing higher and the bear is selling this thing down. Yeah, I might actually. We'll see. When price gets to that 62 level, I may take off one more there, even though I kind of want 43.
Not really. I mean, I can. That's going to be kind of devastating.
You said what?
I'm just kind of talking to myself.
Oh, about
About to
your SPY
survive
position?
this.
Okay, yeah, the SPY position.
Survive.
Yeah.
No. It's my position. Surviving Diddy. Surviving this DQ position. Funny, everybody talking like, oh, the Surviving Diddy documentary gonna be crazy. Oh,
Uh,
that's messed.
yeah, that would be messed up because a lot of people did not survive, did he? A lot of people got their lives taken away.
Affirm. Freaking affirm. You got to be. I should have kept it off.
Amari Russell, yeah. I think about so far, I mean, you can count Biggie, you can count, I mean, obviously Biggie's probably like the biggest person that's lost their life being around Diddy. But then the other people that I really don't remember their names, I don't care to, but you know that they show that they've lost their lives being around Diddy. You know what I think is crazy. I mean, I've been lost. Well, I don't want to say respect because I don't necessarily care. So if that Meek Mill rumor is true, that would be crazy. That would, I mean, it wouldn't be surprising. It'll just be crazy. Yeah, that should just be crazy. I mean, you gotta think. Nicki Minaj left Meek Mill, and in their relationship, she was really down for him. So the same way with Will Smith. Like I know that we kind of looking from the outside in, look at them and see like why the women in their lives disrespect them so much. But if you're looking at it from a woman's point of view, the only way for a woman to really lose respect for a man is just complete weakness. If a man that they respected submits to another man in any form. And with the same rumor with Will Smith and Meek Mill, talking about that guy said that he caught Will Smith with The Rock in the trailer. And I was like, yo, if that's true, I can understand why Jada Smith disrespects Will Smith the way that she does. I can understand that. And
The
if the,
Rock.
yeah, you ain't seen that.
Dwayne Johnson? Dwayne
Yeah,
Johnson is in there?
man, look,
Sure, I
look.
think he.
Nah, it was Dwayne. Nah,
No.
it's Dwayne Johnson. You
Different
got to
name.
see it. You know, it's him.
Nah,
Yeah, it's
different
him.
Dwayne.
It's
It's not.
Dwayne. It's him.
It's not The
They said it
Rock.
was him. I mean,
It's a
he
different.
kissed Kevin Hart on camera. So honestly, and then he had his daughter dress him up as a girl. Dude, like I understand that these are childhood heroes, but the stuff that they putting on social media now, that shit's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, you can say that, yeah, your daughter
Wait.
playing dress up with you is cute, but you don't ever want your daughter seeing you as a something to play dress up with. I mean, your daughter needs to look up to you and see strength. Not oh, I'm gonna play dress up with daddy. I mean, that's not cute to me. But that's not my business anyway. But he kissed Kevin Hart, dude. So eh, I mean, it's none of my business. I don't care. But when I hear these rumors, I'm not surprised. I'm just not surprised.
I'm gonna pull it up for you.
But
It's
look at the guy. Look at I don't know his name, but he claims to be one of Will Smith's best friends. And I think Jada Pinkett Smith said something about suing him for the accusation. But he said that he walked into the trailer with Dwayne The Rock Johnson blowing up Will Smith's
no,
back.
not
No, he said it was
Dwayne
dude.
Johnson.
He said it was him.
No, no, it's not. It's here. I'm about to pull it up and show you who it is. It's
Okay.
Dwayne Martin.
Dwayne Martin.
Dwayne Martin. He was an actor, I think, actor, comedian, or whatever. Let me show you.
Yeah, send it to me.
Oh.
No, actually, no, just send it to me in my. Just send it to me. Just send it to me. I'll look at it. But regardless of who it was, I can understand that if these allegations are true, then I can understand why these women would move away. Because I mean, like at first it was like, yo, you couldn't tear them apart, but all of a sudden they broke up for no reason, or it wasn't clear. She started riding for Meek the way that she did. So I mean, if that rumor's true, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised, man.
How did we even get to that?
I don't know.
Muhammad, what's up, bro? Muhammad, I'm over here getting rocked by the NQ.
Oh yeah, we was talking about Diddy. Yeah, we was talking about Diddy. I was like, okay. I was like, how the hell did we get here? Yeah, yeah, it was Diddy, dude.
Catching haymakers on the NQ and losing.
Okay, that was my bad. Dwayne Martin. That was my bad.
But I get it. All right. This is seriously some deviousness in Q. Uh, I didn't know he was married. He was married to Tisha Campbell. uh, this right here, this right here, this right here.
Oh my God, dude. Okay, I'm kind of tired of this, man. I'm kind of tired of this.
Hey, Q.
I'm kind of tired of this right now, man.
In Q, you need to start behaving better. I'm not gonna let you take too much more of my drawdown.
This Diary of NQ Trader says I'm long at 45. I would keep a tight stop on that. I would keep a tight stop because now, I mean, you don't have any EMA support at all. You have the 50, the 21. Is that VWAP? Yeah, and VWAP all sloping down. Price would have to push past all these VWAP or all these EMAs, close for a continuation higher. Not saying that that's not possible, but that's a lot of work. So I would just keep a tight stop on that.
NQ, you dirty bird. Dirty bird. Not gonna let you take too much more of my drawdown, NQ. Grandmama gave me that drawdown. Apex rubbing their hands like Birdman in the back. Yeah.
Dude, it's like, yo, they love, like, man, that trailing drawdown is just so clutch in environments like this, man. It's just so clutch, man.
NQ. Not gonna let you do this to me, NQ.
Hey, Diary of it. Right. So 568. So you're trying to go back up to, says you're looking at my daily, my bias is long.
Damn it, you know what, I should've. Thank you, you did it. You bastard.
She finally got you?
You got me. We got him. All that, yeah, I'm done. I'm done for the day. In this, and then watch it. Let me see. Let me look at the chart.
No, I don't doubt that it's not going higher. I don't doubt that. In order for this to be real, it needs to get past 30. 30. May see some resistance at 20, but it has to get past 30 for this to be real.
Dude, I got point of control at 540 on my phone. Where are you at on this chart? Yeah, I got point of control at 540. Damn you, NQ. Alright. I guess they didn't want to accomplish that. Right there. Let's check this out. But they could still hold it right there. Between right here. Collecting liquidity. But this is bullish. What time is it? 10:30.
Okay. Well, I guess. Uh, yeah, I might actually. Oh. Okay. Yeah, NQ has definitely has been doing everything in the pre-market, so I might just actually start checking pre-market for real, for real. But I mean, I feel it's like the days where you do look at it pre-market, it don't move.
Yeah, it do be like that. All right, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break and just regroup. Let's regroup. There's no things like dead, no real moves. Just put this stuff off.
Okay, so let's see, man. Let's see. 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 Oh boy. Yeah, I'm kind of tired of this at this point. I'm kind of past this. Kind of past this.
Look like a bull flag on the 15K chart.
And bull flags, what is it? What is that again? That's like price like going down, higher lows and lower highs. Is that a bull flag?
Well, you look like a flagpole. You got your super pump up. And you got your downside. And then the next, we're consolidating right now. So we cannot get out of either of these ranges right here. But the next level up will be the next boom, next leg up. Pump it up. Pump it. Okay, and we're at
38, 96, 378, 378, 378.
Still negative. Still negative delta.
378.
I would have just shorted the 23%. I would have been good. I need to start doing that. I need to start taking action. But yeah, I'm
Okay.
chill.
All right.
To call me when we get some big moves. I'll be back.
Says that took long enough. Says my stop moving to 13 minutes and let's get to. Yeah, diary. Yeah, diary of an NQ trader. Hmm. You said on a 1 minute chart we have resistance at the 200 SMA. Hmm. Is the 200 at the 510 level on your chart, Raven? Yeah, I guess it's just one of those days, man. Yeah, okay. I don't expect price to get above 30. I don't expect it to. I honestly don't expect it to get above 15, 15, 20-ish. I don't expect it to get above this area. And not without a real pullback. And on the 4 hour chart, I mean, we got this big wick down. We're at resistance. We got this move down. Then we got this big candle down. And then we got this follow through. And then we're coming back into this candle right here at resistance. Right here. Hmm. I do have 38 on my chart as well. Okay. Nice. Thanks, Diary of an NQ Trader. Thanks. I don't even know how I did that. Hmm. Nah, that's what it hurts. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking the same. I'm thinking possibly somewhere in this area. I'm thinking the same. Like 30, 32-ish, if not right here, because of this wick. But we'll see. We'll see what it does. It's just taking half off at 30. Yeah, that would be a good place to take some profit. Mm-hmm. 15 minutes. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, why not? Oh, yeah, I'd rather. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, you know. All right, man. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. So again. Hmm. So they bought 467 strikes. This I don't think that I don't think they actually believe that price will get down to 467. I think this is I don't think price gets all the way down here. What So I'm looking at these spot puts And you got a block of people believing that, and they're putting a bunch of money into these puts, which is crazy. But they got contracts expiring in August of this year, and they believe that price is going to get down to 467. Which would be absolutely crazy. I mean, I guess it makes sense around that time. We will have we will know who our next president would be in the following months after August. But last summer, that shit was bullish as hell the last summer, so I don't know. I don't think I'll bet against the market during the summer, especially when everybody's out of school, summer vacations, driving. The economy will boom during the summer months because of all the traveling. So 467. Man, I'll be moved down. Huh. Yeah, because it could possibly. It could. I doubt it, though. I doubt it. Yeah. Okay. All right now. You think 550 is coming? Well, we got the Fed speakers coming up in the next 8 minutes. The bulls would have to break this high right here. Bulls would have to take out this high, and they would have to trade through this range right here. But we'll see. We'll see. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Mm, oof. Says mixed says that he thinks that we launch from the 15-minute fair value gap. Says we launched these listening price the past couple of days. The 15-minute fair value gaps. Let's look at that. Yeah. 470, 456.
All right, I'm back. Had to go grab some food, and we still ain't over 5:30. What the heck?
Yeah.
Slow grind down, slow grind up.
So let's look at the chart. Let me put this correlate this small.
When the elevator coming up?
Shit. I'm waiting on that too.
I'm trying to catch the elevator.
Okay, so let's see what. Go ahead.
I'm just being dumb. I don't like taking the stairs.
All right, so this is Diary of an NQ Trader's chart. This is what she's looking for. She's looking for this move up higher. From this consolidation area, there was a sweep of this low, and she's looking for a move higher, taking out the pre-market high at 57 or 68. Or is that 57? Yeah, I think that's 57, yeah.
Yeah. Is that in the Discord?
Yeah.
All right, I had to step away. I should have reversed myself though, honestly.
What do you mean?
In my short position.
Why?
Because I could have caught all those points and been good.
Are you talking about when it got to 80? Well, I guess at what point? You're talking about when we got this move up right here?
Well, on my chart, the VWAP move, I basically put my stop at VWAP and it just ran through it. And then I was considering hitting the reverse button, closing out, and then going long right before that, but I did not hesitate.
That's what happens at 552. Andrew said that he thinks, in his opinion, that 552 is a key level. 552. Yeah. Honestly, what would surprise me more? What would surprise me more is if we get past this level. If we start trading into this range and move higher. That would surprise me. That would surprise me.
Yeah, that's a lot of back and forth over there. A lot of back and forth. A lot of business conducted up there.
Yeah, so I would be more surprised if it starts trading through that range. What I expect it to really do is to actually stop here at 30, 34-ish, 35. And then we see that big red candle down. That's what I expect. But if we do continue higher and we do trade into this range, that'll be very surprising. Yeah, with NQ, anything's possible, man. Anything is possible with NQ. I mean, we've seen NQ out of nowhere and pre-market got put. Like, yo, I'm still trying to figure out what the hell was this. Like, what was this? I mean, obviously it was a stop run, but what caused the R right here? What caused the market to do this? Like, what caused the market to do that? I know that we were still in an uptrend, but this type of move, you don't see this in pre-market unless there's news or something happened. You don't see that. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. That's what I expect. And obviously, wow, that's crazy. That's a lot. Well, it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. I don't know about Smith, but I'm probably be on. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, man. Because this is at this point. This is we just basically watch paint dry.
I'm in the micros, baby. Swallow my pride. I'm in the micros.
So the calendar says 11 o'clock, but this thing is saying it starts at 12. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So this is my position. Like I said, I'm gonna probably be on for like the next 5 minutes. I really don't want to deal with this, honestly. I did scale into this position. My average entry did move down a hell of a lot. What I'm willing to do with this position, I mean, if it hits my stop at 580, then I'll lose 400 bucks. What I'm willing to do at this point is if it does trade higher, what is that? 50, 50, 50. I'll scale in 3 here at this high. I'll scale in 3 at 60. And I will stop out of this position at, let me see, because it'll probably be like 600 bucks. So like 590. 590. I'll stop out. Yeah, it'll be a $600 loss. Or I'm gonna get above that high right there, which I kind of doubt will happen, but we'll see. We'll see.
Let's see if we can see what they want to do.
Yeah, I'm thinking that they possibly could be doing that. I mean, with the NQ, and then we got these Fed speakers speaking all day, I can definitely see it. It's not like they're power or nothing, but the Fed does pump the market. And then after they get done pumping the market, either it continues or it reverses. This daily max move on the Qs is 446.74. Where are the Qs sitting at now? Well, I guess I could just look at it real quick. And did you get that from the? I know that Unusual Whales is like the only platform that's given like the max pain, if I'm not mistaken. Unless there's other platforms giving out max pain as well. 446, yeah. Well, it's sitting right there. The Qs is sitting right there. We'll see. We'll see. At 50. Damn, Tia. Damn, it was like that this whole time. Hmm.
Here we go.
It was like that the whole time, Tia. What happened to all that bullish momentum that you had this past couple of days? Okay. Actually, I'm a scan it right here. Of course not. Of course.
Order filled.
Okay. So yeah, this is gonna be it for me. I'm not gonna waste that much money. It's like $500, which is fucking a lot. It says usually access is resistance and it's experience. Yeah. Since Andrew says, I believe that means the way options were priced yesterday, market makers are trying to price it at that close. Hmm. Alfred says the market comes for me when I don't take profits. I'm gonna let this play out, man. I'm gonna let it play out. I mean, I expected this bounce at that 495 level. I didn't expect it to come out like this. I thought it was gonna stop at 35, but kept going.
Let's get it, Ray. You said 620 win. Oh, shoot, let's get it. Look at this block right here, 55. Is that on the other one too? 55? No, it's at 54. Win moon. Win moon. Ready to join SpaceX?
You talking to me?
SpaceX Express? I'm talking to anyone that's willing to listen.
Well, we'll see.
CL dumping?
Yeah, CL's dumping right now, which kind of hurts my feelings.
And keep up.
It's kind of hurting my feelings right now because CL is at my break even. Actually, I'm like 8 points. Yeah, I'm in a 90, so I'm 11 points down. I'm 11 points down. God damn it. All right, man.
Say it with me. Dang, look at these micros. Now they want 560. Oh, man, stop working. 560, yeah. When I switch, the DOM kind of freezes. Yeah, 560.
Okay. All right.
Let's go, baby. Hey, I might just trade a buttload of micros. Like how you be doing.
I would say, like, dude, micros is it's been very beneficial to trade micros. I'll say that. I don't have to be perfect with my entries anymore.
Yeah.
And the losses aren't that devastating.
Right, yeah.
So we got that elevator up. That elevator up. All right, let's see what they do at this high. Let's see what they do. Yeah, if they kind of break this high, I'll close out of this. If they take out this high, I'll close out of this position. I'll take the $300, $400 loss. I'll take it. Okay. So price is about like 10 points above my break even. I'll take it if it breaks out above this high. Says Mick says we're going to 80 minimum. Mad Moxie. He said the therapy was working. Mm.
Alfred, you thought I blew these up? How could you think that? Good sir? Nah, I just took a break. I had to step away from NQ. She was pissing me off though.
Yeah. All right. I'm about to do my last three.
Order filled.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
Y'all bears
That's
trying to
it.
be cute.
I know, right? I know. We trying to be real cute right now. We trying to be. We trying to be real cute. But yeah, if it gets, I'll give it 85. I'm not scaling in this no more. No, I'm not taking no. I can accept this. I can accept this loss. I can accept that. Nah. I'll give it 85. All right, we'll see. This is gonna be my position for today. The one thing that I kind of do wish that I could do in Top Step X is has my position the same way I can do it in Ninja Trader, where I can go long and short. Because I would have went long here at 95, and I think we only got to 80, so that would have been what 95, a 15 point and drawdown. And I would have probably got out at 30, and then been mad that it went all the way up here. Because this was damn near like a 90-point move. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Gangway says that he was in since 490 and got out at 549. He said that was light work for him. Yeah. Hey, I had one day. I can have my one day chip. Theo, she definitely hurt my feelings. I ain't gonna lie, she hurt my feelings with this one. She hurt my feelings with this drop. Mm. She ain't had to come out swinging like that. Give me a second, guys.
Y'all might see me get to 150 micros. All right, NQ.
I had to make sure I was good. I was down about 15 cents in this position, dude. I got a 27-point stop on CL, so that sucks. I'm still in the game, baby. Still in the game, still in the game, still in the game. Nah, game weight, you gotta keep your weight up. You gotta keep your weight up, game weight. You going light in the gym, you going light, you're gonna lose some of them gains, baby. You gotta go in heavier. You gotta stay heavy. That's interesting. Nah. Okay. Okay. Yo, what the hell? Could have sworn I did this, but I guess I didn't. Yeah, at this point, I guess I'll be fine. Nah, no way. They're trying to hold 552. Yeah, honestly, the way that the chart is looking, I think they fail here. I think they're gonna fail. I think they failed here. And if they fail here, then honestly, I mean, I'm gonna still keep this target, but if they fail here, we're taking this low out. And if we take this low out, yeah, I can see us going back down to 414, 415. But I think the Bears fail. I think the Bulls fail here. I think they do. He says you close along here. It's a small pullback, I think. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I won't be convinced until we take out this high. But yeah, if we take out this high,
That back my way.
what?
Nothing. I'm just reading.
Yeah. Says it's right on your EMA. NQ just needs a breather. Yeah, it is sitting right there on the 2000, on the 21 EMA on the 2000 tick chart. It is sitting right there. Actually, let me look at the let me look at Top Step. Actually, let's look at the tilt real quick. I keep saying I'm gonna look at this damn thing, I never do. Let me look at the tilt. I don't think I got it on here. How do I add it? How do I add it? How do I add it? The plus. There we go. Okay, of course. All right, so 51% long right now on the Nasdaq. It's 51% long, 49% short. So it's 51% of top step traders are in a long right now. Is that my baby green? Is she green right now? My baby green right now? At least I'm at break even. At least I'm at break even. I was in at 90. It got down to 65. I think I was down like what, like 90 minus 65. So I was 2 points away from getting stopped out of this position. 2 cents away from it. I was being really conservative with this too. Being really conservative with this. That's interesting. Yeah. Does it look like it holds? We'll see. Like if it closes above this high, you get a strong close, then yeah, I'll close this position out for a loss. Because if it takes out that high, then this year it's gonna go up. And then you also think like, yeah, that's the trap too. That's the trap. Just hopefully it dips so I can buy and you can make money. No, I mean no, that's no. I mean shoot. That would be nice. But I don't mind being wrong in the short term. Actually, I don't mind being wrong at all. But not gonna lie, it does suck when I'm wrong. Because that means that I missed something. Yeah, you're right about the profit taking thing. But like I shared with y'all guys before, the drawdown doesn't necessarily affect me. I just want to be right. And yeah, Andrew, that's actually something that I've been trying to play with because you know what, the NQ sometimes being cute works. And what I mean by that is taking your profits off at these levels, and then, I guess in my mind, if I mean, I did take one contract off right here. I did take one. I only have 4 at the time. I did want it to come all the way back up here, which sucked, honestly. Having it come back to my break even sucked, but but my fear of missing out when I experienced that, it's like, okay, if I were to take some off right here and it continues to go down, I would be so angry about that. Like, I would really be so angry about that. But in this case, yeah, I thought we was going to get a bounce, but I didn't think we was going to get back all the way back up here. I thought we was going to stop at 30 for at least a continuation down to get into this area of support and then move up. But the NQ didn't do that. NQ tapped into this area. I mean, you got this support all the way over here. Yeah. So yeah, there's times where it's like, you know what? Just stay in the position. It's just easier sometimes. Just easier just to stay in the position. I can agree with that. I can agree with that.
I agree with what? What are you talking about?
No, I'm talking to Andrew. He stated that if I would have taken profits at that level, at that 495 level that we talked about, I mean, that would have been a good trade. I mean, yeah, it would have been a good trade. I mean, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. But I mean, I shared this with you guys. I mean, but the way that my mind is, in terms of when it comes to ego trading, it's I don't like taking profits along the way. I just don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like that. I kind of want the whole entire move because it just validates my analysis. And low key, I mean, I understand that. I mean, I guess everybody has differences of opinions about this, but if I would have taken profits right here, yeah, I would have been right. But I think that price gets all the way at least down in this area, at least. I think it gets in this area.
ICT.
He said he's thinking about CT. No. No, I think I'm sure, but
Big Meech. I'm in 71 micros.
that's crazy. Trading Apex right now?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No way.
Well, I can't say that. I can't say that. I'll be in 30 minis in that 300K.
Hey, is that the max?
Yeah, I'll be full port.
30. Putting that 300K. 7K drawdown. 30 minutes. Apex know what they doing, man.
Dude, it's addictive putting contracts on the charts, man. It's addictive.
Oh, shoot.
It's addictive, man. It's addictive. It's addictive. But uh, but I just understand stuff like this happens, man. These double bottoms, double tops, they happen. But I do feel like I'm better than 50 points, though. I'm not going to see a lot of it, man. Like, I get it. 50 points is a lot of points, but I feel like my analysis is better than that. So I don't like taking profits at. I don't like that. I don't like it. So
Apex. Here's another, we're going to extend it throughout the month of May too, just for you guys.
no, they need to come back with that 90%. That's what they need to do.
People was probably wrecking them on that 90 though.
What do you mean?
Yeah. I was looking. Apex. That's why they're like, oh, no. They're passing. We can't afford this. I mean, but they making money left
Oh,
and
on the
right
90%?
anyway. Yeah.
You think so? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just talking. Uh-oh, NQ. Scary hours.
He says here, Mick says he's talking about profits. Yeah, dude. I mean, look, I want my damn targets, man. I mean, this ain't new. This ain't new.
Ooh.
This ain't new. I get my profits when I get my targets.
Maybe if I keep doing this with my mouse, it'll finally understand and go up. NQ, this is where I want you. I want you up here.
Where are you pointing towards?
620, 630.
620, 630?
That's where I want you. All right. Calm down, NQ. Calm down.
Say it louder for the people in the back. Say it louder.
Look good. Nah, Ray, don't say that. I can't handle 540. We just launch from here. Just launch from here. 55 again. 60 again.
540.
All right, let's take that rocket ship up now. Elevator up.
You said 540?
That's what Ray said. 540 then bounce.
540 then bounce.
Can you handle that, Ray? This account can't handle it. Shoot up. Shoot up. I want to see you at 620, baby. 620.
It's 11:30 now. Yeah, I'll stay on for sure. Yeah, I'll stay on for 10 more minutes. I have to go and get some work done. I'll stay up for 10 more minutes. 'Cause damn, these ranges are tight. Yeah, they definitely are tight, man. trapping bulls and the bears. Got both sides anxious right now. Which side is it going to break up to? Top or the bottom? Boy, back on break even with these. Boy, at break even with these CL.
We want the top. We want the top. All right, let me check on these. How we doing, Spy? Oh, you sitting pretty, Spy. You sitting pretty. Okay. See you, Spy. Meta all-time high. God, don't say that. That just makes me mad. I could have bought it for $99. Freaking Meta. 528. What they got going for them that they so high right now?
It's an election season.
Yeah, that TikTok ban.
I mean, has that even gone through?
They want to copy. You see how they? Well, never mind. They bought Instagram.
They bought Instagram.
Copy Snapchat features and stuff, making Snapchat irrelevant and useless.
Says House says TikTok ban is an empty threat. There is no politician that cares about their political career be the person to ban TikTok. Nobody wants to take that hit. Nobody wants to take that hit. If you're the person or the committee of people that ban TikTok and you need people to vote for you to stay in power or in your seat, yeah, nah. And I believe that too. I think the TikTok ban is an empty threat. I don't think it ever gets passed. They're saying that the House passes bill to force TikTok sale from Chinese owner or ban the app. Yeah, I'm not going to read that.
Yeah, I heard about that. They want them to either sell it to an American company, get banned.
Yeah, nobody's not going to ban no damn TikTok. TikTok was there for us during the pandemic. This generation and the generation that had TikTok that got people through the pandemic, that shit is not going nowhere. They'll find a way. Facebook was worried about trying to protect people from Trump's tweets versus actually being an entertaining platform during the pandemic. TikTok says, yeah, we don't give a fuck about none of that. We can sing and dance. We'll get you through the day.
You can sing and dance, get you through the day.
I mean, that shit, I'm joking, but it's serious. Like, the TikTok was there for people.
I'm laughing because it is serious.
Yeah, that shit is true, dude. Like, TikTok was there for people.
Crazy. Yeah.
But we're gonna sit here and act like China don't got all of our information already. Like, I don't understand what their reasoning for it.
Oh snap, baby! Come on, take out these highs. The gamble is paying off right now. Actually, like I said, what y'all think, chat? Should I take some of this back? Y'all are kind of delayed right now, I think, by like 15 minutes. YouTube.
CL, like, man, just CL, just hold, baby, just hold. That's all you need to do is just hold.
Nah, we going for these highs. Let's triple down, baby. Hey, nobody in here follow what I'm doing. This is straight gambling. Micro gamble. I'm in 76 micros.
Shit, you might as well just flip the minis and go to 7 minutes. Okay. Okay, so like 5 more minutes. Then I have to get back to work. I have to get back to work. This is the beauty of what I do. I can kind of start my day whenever I kind of start my day, but it is that time. We are at that.
Yeah, you definitely got it.
It is that time.
Five is 65. That's right, Alfred. Pump it for the team. 65 of that 46 block there.
He says, Gangway says I'd be salty. How am I salty? He says, Andrew says he shorted at 560. Like, dude, I don't think this goes there. Y'all talking 620. I don't think this goes there today. I don't think this goes there at all, honestly.
No, I'm just talking. I mean, 620, eventually, that'll be a level to look at.
Mm.
But I'm just... Commodity Q. Commodity Q. No! Oh my gosh, they killed his position.
Yeah, Andrew, I agree with that. I agree. Honestly, I want to start taking more trades like that myself. Because sometimes I'll see a reversal pattern, but not trust it because of the momentum. And then after the candle is painted on the chart, and I look back at it and it's like, if I just put a tight stop right here, I would have lost what? If I put a 15, 10-point stop, you wouldn't even lost much, but the gain would have been so much better. Or it would have outweighed the loss. It would outweigh the loss. Yeah, so a 3-to-1 target. Says read my above target. So I didn't see anything from you, gain weight. He says, so if you were up, okay, 572,000. Yeah, okay. Yo, gain weight. Shut up. Shut up.
What happened? I missed it.
All right, okay, then yeah, it'll be about the profits then. Yeah, he said if I'm up $500,000, would I take the profits? Of course. Of course. Of
You
course.
say of course now. Get in that mode.
Oh, actually, nah. You know what? Yeah, you're right. That shouldn't hit my target yet. I'm up $500,000. I can get the full mill. We can be up the full mill. We ain't taking none of it off.
Yeah, silly.
Yeah. But, and he says, and you see a turn come, but your TP is at 600. Are you saying that you're not taking the profits? No, I'm not taking that damn profits, man. I want that 600K, goddammit. I need that new Lambo.
Lambo. Cream of the crop. Rise to the top.
But then I would have to ask myself, dude, why the hell did I let it get past 100K? If I'm up $500,000, which would be great, I would have to be asleep or unaware of the position. Because if I'm watching it and I see it go past 10K, 50K, 100K, and then I'm sitting at $500,000, at that point, I might as well hit my damn target. I'm almost there. Shit, I'm almost there.
Y'all crazy.
Says Sherman. I would have to call my physical risk manager and tell her to come and close out some of this position. She'll probably close out the whole thing, and I'll be mad at her ass. I said close out some of it, god damn it.
Not the whole thing, no. All right, we hit 100 micros, baby. 102.
Okay, so what time is it, man? It's 11 o'clock. I'm shit. Yeah, I mean at this point, I mean right now we got the Fed speakers talking, so
Pump it, Fed.
oh, you got registered for it. Not register. Ain't nobody trying to hear you talk that damn bad. We care about the markets. I know these Fed speakers ain't think that we want them like that. I mean, shit, you basically have the keys to the market right now, so that's why we listen to you. But if you didn't have that, okay. I mean, the Fed can literally provide liquidity, fake liquidity in the market. You literally are the market. That's why we listen to you. All right, man. All right. This is oh shit. I need to close my trades.
Did y'all see that? I closed out 20 micros. I took some of that. I do need to give my drawdown back. That's insane. That's wild.
Okay.
I got it. All right. I got the drawdown back. Like,
Mick says I damn near made $500,000 without the profits I ain't take. You know, Alfred said the same thing. He said the same thing.
yeah. Crazy when you don't check them profits. Like, man, I was up. Why didn't I do that?
You know how that shit go, man.
Oh, yeah.
You know how it goes. I mean, I keep saying that that's what I want to do, but it just don't happen that way. It just don't be happening that way. Your boy Smith will take his profits though.
Sometimes.
Yeah, at least he'll take it. Hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't really be able to survive that if that were to happen. I wouldn't be able to survive that. Or not necessarily survive it. I wouldn't even let it get that far. I mean, honestly, where my stop is now, that's kind of overdoing it for me. That's kind of, but I don't want to get wicked out of this position. Yeah, okay, so I'm dead ass getting off at 12 o'clock. Like, I know I keep pushing it, but I just want to see what happens. But 12 o'clock, I'm definitely getting off. So once we hit 12 o'clock, how I'm going to manage this trade is if we get a strong close above this high, I'm not talking about it wicking up or pushing past, and then we get a wick down. But if we get a strong close above this candle high, I'm going to move my stop down to about and take a, yeah. Yeah, I think that's reasonable. Yeah, I think that's reasonable. And like 580. I'll give this until 580. So this high is what, 60, 68, 78. So 10 points. Yeah, that's how much I'll give it. I'm not giving it no more than that because honestly, it's not supposed to go above this high if this is real. Definitely not this high. So this high is not supposed to get violated. Yeah, that pump was crazy though. That pump was crazy. Oh, thank God. Oil's pumping. Thank God. All right, my position is probably like 20 cents in the money right now. It's 20 cents. I could close it, but I'm probably not going to. Yeah, about like at 90. So yeah, about 16 cents. Mm, okay. Okay. You said oil was going to 45.50? 45.50. That's actually what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for 40, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. 84.90 plus. Actually, I'm aiming for. I don't think it gets all the way up here today, as slow as it was moving. Yeah, I think it gets to 50. I agree. It gets here. Yeah, possibly 40, maybe 50. I agree with that. I agree with that. All right, let's see. This is the moment. Oh, you talking about 45, 50? No way. Nah, no way. No freaking way. No way. That shit is not going down to $45 a barrel. Texas would have to start pumping oil again for that to happen. Texas would have to start pumping oil again for oil to get that low. Or let me rephrase that, exporting.
How percent my orders look like a spider web. Hey, I'm almost maxed out on micros. Oh shoot, they might. Nah, they're not gonna try to do it.
What are you talking about?
I bet you won't do it, NQ. I bet you won't. Bet you won't go higher. You gotta challenge her sometime. I bet you won't do it.
Oh, you talking, Andrew? Are you talking about on oil? Yeah, dude, that shit is not going no $45 a barrel. That would be a $40 drop. That would be a $45 drop. Yeah, we had that, but people was worried about what somebody was saying on their Twitter versus caring about how great the economy was. Poor people, for the first time in their lives, was considered above the poverty line and was able to afford the necessities. And people, I guess it was so good, people cared about. Oh man, that tweet made me cry inside. That tweet made me feel this type of way. As I'm sitting in my house that I can afford, my fridge full of groceries that I didn't have to spend $200 on, cheap gas. I mean, hey, I mean, we hear this a lot. I mean, you get what you vote for, and unfortunately, the Democrats did it again. They made they took away the focus of how great the economy was. I mean, everybody saw it. That's how good it was. It's like when someone can't attack you based on what your work, but they're going to attack you based off of the things you say and what could be true. That's how you know that you're doing the right thing and that they're just hating. And that's what the media did. That's all they did was attack Trump, called him names, said that he was racist, even though he's almost like a pillar in the black community. I mean, every rapper has spoken about Trump in such a great light, and all of a sudden he's racist. I mean, some of the stuff he was saying was crazy, but I wouldn't say that anything he said was racist. It just hurt people's feelings. Yeah, and apparently I don't believe that 81 million people voted for Biden. I mean, I can believe he won. I don't believe 81 million people voted for Biden. I don't believe that. And with all of our money going to Ukraine and they keep asking for more, like you got to think, how much money did we give to Ukraine so far? It's crazy how much money we've given to them. Israel, Ukraine, but here in the United States, people are jobless. We're spending $12 on eggs, $12 on milk. Gas prices is high, and this guy's giving away the money that could be used here in the United States. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree.
Uh, well played, NQ. Look at my spider web chart.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it here.
Well played.
Going to cut it. Gonna cut it.
50 was my limit, huh?
Oh, she finally got you?
Freaking V, all you had to do was pop up a little bit. I would have closed that. I would have closed the whole thing. The NQ goblin got me.
We'll see, man. We will see. We will see. Like I said, I don't think we're touching these highs, man. I don't think we're touching these highs. I don't think we're
Nah,
touching
she
these
gonna do
highs.
it now. Now that I'm out, now she gonna do it. We got to bump it.
He said,
Is
hold
he out?
on. Bogdanov, he sold. He sold. Pump it. Nah, if you really want to mess with somebody, nah. What Bogdanov should be saying, stomp him out, then dump it. Bogdanov, he sold. What should we do? Stomp him out and then dump it.
What did he say? He's getting his confidence or reassurance.
He's getting his confidence. That's not what we do. It's not what we do. Dump it.
He bought CD.
All right, man. All right, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and watch paint dry. This is my position. I'm gonna let this probably run for the rest of the day. I'm gonna let this run. I think this is the top. I think this is the top. I mean, I know y'all talking about 620, but I don't think we're going to 620. I think this is the top. I think we're dropping. I think we may see a bounce at 414 whenever we get there. We can definitely see a bounce at 460, and it can possibly bounce back up to 450 or 515 or 530. I can see that. But I don't think that they're going to go up to that 620 level. I don't think they're going to violate that high at 600. That's my opinion.
Let us see. Yeah, I'm clapped today so far. So
Pause. Pause. Yo.
got clapped, and you did the clapping.
Yo, that's wild, dude.
And
It makes sense that no, Diddy did it. Diddy did it. Diddy did it. Diddy did it. But yeah,
back tomorrow. Do it all over again with different results.
we got non-farm payroll tomorrow. That's definitely going to be a market mover. Yeah, your boy is up in his CL position about 40 cents, baby. All right, let me make sure before I say that. I think I'm up 30 cents, 30 to 40 cents. Yeah, 30 to 40 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna let both of these positions ride. I think CL is gonna probably retest this high or somewhere around here, 50, 40. Yeah, gain weight. If I was agreeing with you until you said $45 to $50, I was agreeing with you, but yeah, with CL, I think we can get to 48.50, 40, 50. I can see that. I can see that. I can see that. If I just let it run, especially if it when CL settles at 130. CL usually goes, I mean, if it's long, it usually kind of flutters and chops in the same direction if it's settled. That's usually what CL does. So I'm gonna stay in this position. I'm not gonna get out of it. And you know I'm gonna hold this NQ position. I'm getting my damn target.
Okay, where's your target at?
My only target that I have on the screen is at 443.
443.
But I mean, it may not get there today, honestly. It may not get there today. But I doubt that it breaks these highs though. So we can possibly see a move down to 514, 515-ish, that 500 area because of the support that's sitting right here. So we can definitely possibly see a move down. But
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. If they do push this further down, yeah, probably based off today's action, I can see it stopping around here.
I
But
kind of would.
yeah,
It'd be kind of nice for them to figure out what the hell they're trying to do with this, because obviously I'm invested, but I don't want to sit
that'd be
here
great.
and watch it. Once you just hurry the hell up.
Uh huh. But all right,
Yeah,
y'all. I'm
that's crazy. All right. This is it for me. We'll do this again tomorrow. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow, so we'll come back and we'll trade
yeah,
this and we'll continue to make money. And peace out.
NFP baby. All right, y'all. Peace.
This Gameway says this year more people have entered into the market with the prop firms trading futures and fail. This is just weeding out the weak hands. All right, Gameway. Peace out.